Have you ever wondered how to make your email marketing get some results? Do you often wonder how business email can benefit your email business? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of buying the email marketing software? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about ways to get your email marketing to deliver results. Now let's get into it. Pretty much anybody can create and send out an email to a client base. But not everyone can send out the best possible email marketing campaign for their business. Email marketing best practices call for more than simply writing a couple of lines of text and sending it with no thought of what you are sending or who is going to receive it. As a result, many people are wasting their time sending out emails and not getting the results they want. The 6 email marketing tips below are some of the best email marketing strategies to help you increase the results from your email communications. 1. What's the objective of the email? The best email marketing campaign needs a purpose. What is the objective of your email? Are you telling your subscribers, and how do you want them to respond? Email should always have a clear and concise message. If you're not sure if the objective of your email is clear, ask somebody who does not know what you are doing to read your email before you send it and see how they would respond if they received it. 2. Who is sending the email? This sounds obvious as you know that you are sending the email, but does your recipient know that? Make sure that your email is seen to be coming from a real person, company, or brand in the From Name box. People today are much more cautious, and if they cannot connect the email to someone real, it's going to land in the trash or even in their spam. For the best email marketing results, avoid using email addresses like info@ or sales@. These will not be nearly as effective as using an email address that's from a person like John or Sarah . Subscribers want to connect with real people. 3. Does your subject line make you want to open the email? The decision made by your prospects and customers on whether or not to open your email is based on what is written in your subject line. The subject line is like the headline of an advertisement and is important to the success of your email marketing campaign. Would you open an email with your subject line? 4. Do you know your audience? Do you know the worries, desires, needs or wants that your prospects have and how your service or product can solve them? Research from the best email marketing campaigns shows that men have a preference for subject lines and text that convey news or convincing information, while most women prefer special discounts or promotional offers. Use current market research to optimize your subject line and content. 5. Do you let people easily unsubscribe? If somebody wants to unsubscribe from your subscriber list, let them. If you make it difficult, they may label you as spam. If a recipient has no interest in even getting or reading your emails, it is very unlikely that they will ever become a customer. You will not have any success with your email marketing if you worry about someone unsubscribing to your emails. 6. Is it all sell? The best email marketing campaigns are about building a relationship with the people on your list by offering and providing information. Don't just constantly send out blatant sales messages. Providing beneficial information makes your sales messages subtle. Rather than trying to sell in the email, think of getting clicks to your squeeze page. How business email addresses can benefit your business. The internet world has advanced immensely with the help of technology and communication, including web conferences. Email messages still retain their top spot in business communication. Most web surfers use their email addresses a couple of times every week. Emailing takes the top spot over other popular activities taking place online, such as social networking, shopping, blogging, and downloading. Email communication is a simple process, which only requires composing the email and entering the contact address. However, in order to create a list comprising of business email addresses, business owners can use a direct mail list format. Business email addresses must be included in your email marketing strategy to create a successful email marketing campaign. Email marketing has special tools to create one email and includes a number of business email addresses. Business owners can benefit greatly from email marketing, as it is possible to recognize each person's area of interest and customize the email message accordingly. People enjoy receiving personalized email messages, instead of a common email message. Customized emails will help you determine your email message with the area of interest of a certain person. One way of acquiring such information is to request customers to send you regular feedback. There is nothing like feedback that will help you meet your customer requirements better. Business owners can also offer business products and services, aside from affiliate products through email marketing. For instance, if you have created a web page on phishing to be sent through email, simply expand this page by adding links that lead to sub-pages on phishing for women and trolling methods. Once you have created an email list with business email addresses, you have to continue to advertise your business products. You will need to mix up your offer by providing information about relevant products and promotional offers. People enjoy receiving promotional materials and special deals. When sending out email messages, ensure you don't send individuals who may know more about the business product than you do. While the corporate world is more transparent than before, you must ensure you follow any laws that preside when it comes to sending email messages to a certain state or country. Email messages are a private and confidential form of communication. Furthermore, your business must stick to simple communication, because customers take an interest in easy communication. The cost of email marketing is very low, and in certain instances, it is free. Ensure all your business addresses are stored properly, including customer contact information and links. If your business email list is too big, use an email management system in order to manage customer data. Using business email addresses is beneficial to your online business, as it saves on considerable costs. The overhead you will spend on maintaining a business email system is very low. Small businesses can use a free business email system, with only the computer and internet expenses to bear. Large online businesses can use a business email system at a considerably low cost. These decreased costs are in the form of telephone expenses, postage, and travel expenses. How to buy email marketing software. Businessmen run email marketing campaigns to provide information about their products and services to their potential customers. It is an effective and latest trend in online marketing. Bulk email marketing is used to send your email message to a large number of people manually or through bulk email software. Marketers have to compose customized messages according to the group of readers to obtain a good response. You can use email marketing software in marketing campaigns to manage them efficiently and effectively. You have to analyze the following factors before buying an email marketing tool. 1. You should select speedy and accurate bulk email software to launch a time-effective bulk email marketing campaign. Using this software, you can send messages to a large number of potential customers in less time. 2. You should search email marketing software on various popular search engines and directories. You should be able to obtain information from specified websites, newsgroups, forums, and message boards to purify your selection. 3. Your software should be able to search for specific keywords or URLs. The list of email addresses is very important from a marketing point of view, therefore it should be able to customize your targeted list of email addresses. 4. Email marketing software should be able to remove redundancy from your targeted email lists, otherwise your readers can feel annoyance. 5. Price is one of the basic things when you select software for your marketing campaign. Bulk email software tools should be cost-effective. It is better to compare different software tools and their features before buying them. 6. The software should have a feature of syntax checking and elimination of invalid email addresses from your email contact list. 7. Tools you buy should be able to sort, organize, and merge email addresses in groups or according to their IDs to provide the best email advertising methods. 8. Email marketing software should support attachments because while sending email newsletters, it should be able to send any additional document if required. 9. You should select an email software tool having a tracking facility because in this way you can judge how many people have read your email and which email template brings good results. Bulk email software is very useful because it saves time and increases income. You can send emails according to your defined schedule. It provides the facility of designing various templates for your email contact list. Moreover, they also remove email address duplication to avoid irritation on the part of the receiver. And with that, We've reached the end of this video all about ways to get your email marketing to deliver results. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell, so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.